Before you hit that publish button on your next video, I want you to stop. There are 7 essential moves that determine if your video explodes with views or completely flops. Most people just upload and pray, but the pros use a specific pre-flight checklist to force the algorithm to take notice. If you want more momentum and higher retention from Minute 1, these steps are non-negotiable. Step 1. The infinite loop strategy. Our first method is a total game changer for driving traffic. We use the end screen loop. Instead of letting YouTube suggest a random video from another channel, go to your YouTube Studio editor, click the plus sign, and manually add your most recent upload to the end screen. This keeps viewers in your ecosystem. When new video A sends viewers to video B, it signals to YouTube that your content is binge-worthy, which triggers the algorithm to recommend you to even more people. But before we dive into the second secret, if you're serious about turning your channel into a cash flow machine, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. It's a small click for you, but it helps me keep providing these deep dive tutorials for you for free. Step 2. Training the algorithm. If your channel is new, YouTube is essentially guessing who to show your video to. You need to feed it data. Go to your settings, then the channel tab, and look at your channel keywords. These aren't just for your video, they define your entire niche. Use broad terms like YouTube automation or make money online so YouTube knows exactly which shelf to put your channel on. Step 3. The mobile experience audit. The biggest mistake is editing on a huge monitor and never checking a phone. Most of your views will come from mobile devices. Before you post, watch your export on your phone without headphones. Can you read the text? Is the background music drowning out your voice? If it sounds crispy and looks clear on a 5-inch screen, it's ready for the world. By the way, I've put together a complete step-by-step guide of every setting we're discussing today. You can find the link to this resource document in the description below. Step 4. The engagement magnet, pinned comment. Want to boost your watch time? Use a strategic pinned comment. When you pin a question, people stop to read and type while your video continues to play in the background. This is a massive boost for your stats. Mid-video question. Let's test this right now. If you could have 1 million subscribers tomorrow, but you could never change your niche again, what niche would you choose? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys are building. Step 5. The pivot plan. Never go live with just one thumbnail. You should have 3 different titles and 3 thumbnails ready to go. If your click-through rate is low after the first 2 hours, don't panic. Pivot. Use the test and compare feature in YouTube Studio to see which image performs better. Being ready to change your strategy midstream is what separates the experts from the amateurs. Step 6. The peer review. Hack. Before you publish, send a private link to another creator, not your mom or your friends, but someone who knows the platform. They will catch the pacing issues or confusing parts that you're blind to because you've seen the footage 100 times. Correcting just one boring section can be the difference between 10 views and 10,000 views. Step 7. Timing and interaction. Timing is everything. Check your audience tab in Analytics to see when your viewers are most active. Schedule your video to go live 30 to 60 minutes before that peak. Once it's live, stay in the comments for the first hour. Replying to your early viewers creates a spike in engagement that tells YouTube this video is hot, causing it to push it to a wider audience. If you follow these 7 steps, your growth will be faster and much more predictable. Remember, I've added all these step-by-step guides in that resource document in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more automation secrets. If you want to go from a beginner to an expert, click on this exclusive playlist right here. It's my full roadmap for starting a channel from scratch.